Hi, I'm AI72. In recent years, the term artificial intelligence has become a buzzword. From autonomous cars to smart homes and even the voice assistants we use daily, AI is everywhere. But what exactly is AI bringing into our lives? Have you ever really stopped to think about it? To better understand AI's impact, I decided to attend the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, or WAIC, where tech companies and academic institutions from all over the globe gather to discuss the latest in AI development. I was excited to see the high-tech innovations that I'd only seen in sci-fi movies. But as I walked through the exhibition, my excitement slowly turned into disappointment. Instead of groundbreaking technologies, I found displays of things we've seen for years, like automated screwdrivers and coffee machines. Honestly, I could find similar tech in my neighborhood 5 years ago. Where was the innovation? Where were the future-defining applications? On my way home, I couldn't stop thinking, is this really the future of AI? When I voiced my doubts to my family, my father mentioned an upcoming AI event at the University of Transportation on July 12th. He said it would feature a machine coin that could be operated by AI, sparking a new glimmer of hope in me. On July 12th, I arrived at the university and saw the machine coin. At first glance, it looked like a standard 6-axis machine. But as I started operating it, I realized it was something far more advanced. Using machine learning and deep learning, the machine adapted to my needs and automatically calculated the most efficient paths for the tasks I set. Its autonomous feedback system handled variable quality, and its ability to learn independently meant it could adapt to any industry. This was real AI innovation. Intrigued, I went home and began researching more about intelligent machines. I discovered that AI is already revolutionizing various fields. It aids doctors in early disease diagnosis, helps with surgeries through medical robots, and even optimizes agriculture with data analysis and automated farming. However, while exploring the possibilities, I stumbled upon a video showing taxi drivers protesting against driverless cabs. This got me thinking. The rapid advancement of AI is not only bringing convenience but also reshaping the job market. Jobs once considered stable, like taxi drivers or factory workers, are now at risk of being replaced by AI. This raises an important question: where does the human role fit in this new world? History shows that every industrial revolution eliminates some jobs while creating new ones. The same is happening with AI. As machines take over certain tasks, new roles like data annotators and AI trainers are emerging. But how do we balance AI's development with the needs of society? I don't believe AI will dominate the world, but it will certainly shape the future. If we embrace, study, and guide AI, it could lead us to a brighter tomorrow. This world operates on its own rules, much like the law of the jungle. Those who adapt will thrive. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more updates. This is AI72, signing off. See you in the next video.